friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see one very important topic, and that is called as letter writing in German, meaning Briefschreiben. Brief is letter and Schreiben is writing. Why I am calling this as important topic? Because if you are planning to give German A1 level exam, then it will be very important for you, because this question or this topic will come in your exam. So we'll start with the video. Now in today's video we'll see informal letter writing, meaning informal Briefschreiben. So there is formal letter writing also. We'll cover it in some other video. In today's video it will be informal letter writing, and the topic will be, it is called as invitation for birthday, meaning Einladung für Geburtstag. Okay, Einladung is invitation and Geburtstag meaning birthday. So first we'll see the format of the letter writing, and then we'll see the actual letter. Okay, so first thing it will be salutations initially. Okay, salutations meaning the initial part of the letter. Then the main text will come, and end of the letter there will be closing as well as signature. Now here in this case signature is not needed because this is informal letter writing, but in formal you will need signature also. Here just closing and your name is sufficient. So now you are writing to your friend and you are inviting him or her for your birthday, right? So salutations meaning the initial part will be how we write in English. We start with dear, right? It is just like that. Here for dear it is called as lieber, L-I-E-B-E-R, for male friend, and for female friend it will be lieber. Now suppose you are writing a letter to Jay, then it will be lieber Jay or hello Jay, both are correct. Or if you are writing a letter to Sonia, it will be lieber Sonia, or it can be hello Sonia also. Okay, these are called as salutations. Then the main text will come. In the main text the main topic will be covered. So what is the main topic? Invitation for birthday. So first sentence or first line will be Ich habe Geburtstag am 21. August, meaning my birthday is on 21st August. Okay, this will be the starting line. Then the next sentence will be Ich organisiere eine Party, meaning I am organizing a party. Okay, this is very much similar to English. Then obviously the third one will be Wir laden dich or euch an. Now this means we are inviting you or we invite you. Now why this dish and euch? If you are inviting single person, then it will be dish. If you are inviting multiple people, it will be euch. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, then the fourth one will be party's venue. So it will be die Party findet bei mir zu Hause, meaning the party will be at my house, at my home. Okay, so the venue is clear now. Then the next one will be what time is the party, right? So it will be die Party beginnt 19 Uhr, meaning the party will start at 7 o'clock. Okay, 19 Uhr. Now here during letter writing we have to follow 24-hour clock. So that's why it is 19, meaning 7 o'clock. Okay, this is clear. Okay, now the next will be, now in informally you can ask your friend for help. Clear? So the next sentence will be Und ich möchte einen Gefallen, meaning and I want one favor. Okay, so you can ask your friend for help, any kind of help. So what is the help or what is the favor that we will see in next sentence. That is, kannst du etwas, eine Salad mitbringen? Meaning, can you bring some salad with you? Okay, this is the favor you are asking from your friend. This is clear? Okay. And last line will be, hoffentlich hast du Zeit, meaning hopefully you have time. This is clear? Okay. So this will be the main text, right? Main text of the letter. And lastly, the closing. Closing will be viele Grüße. Okay, lot of regards. Phone meaning from, and your name. Whatever your name, you can write it there. Okay, so this is the main part of the letter. Response to this letter, if your friend is writing a letter, a small letter, right, then how will it be? That also we'll see. It will be a small letter, right, in response to your letter. So it will be again the same thing. It will start with salutations. It is like lieber so and so or lieber so and so, and you can start the letter. Vielen Dank für die Einladung, meaning thank you very much for the invitation. Einladung is invite. Then comes ich komme sehr gern, meaning I will surely or definitely come. Okay, and the last sentence will be ich werde eine Salad mitbringen, meaning I will bring salad with me. So this is the response to the main letter. And closing you can write again same thing, viele Grüße, phone, so and so, right? So this is the format of informal letter writing. In some other video we'll see formal letter writing also. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.